So in this tutorial, we'll see how to create a subpanel through the Studio. This is part one. Whenever possible, it's always suggested to use the Studio first. If you can't do it through the Studio, then you do it programmatically, or sometimes you start with the Studio and then you move on to enhance it with code. So let's say we have the leads module for which we want to add a subpanel for products. So currently, if we go into leads, this is what we see right now inside the detail view. Let's click on a single lead and see what's happening here. So we have activities, campaigns. There's no products as of yet. It's super straightforward. We just go to the Studio. Inside the Studio, we select the module which is going to display the subpanel. And then here we just go to the section called relationships. We add a relationship, which is going to be a one-to-many relationship. So if you add a one-to-one relationship, it means one lead can have only one product. It's not going to create a subpanel. It's going to create, actually, it will allow you to create a field. So in this case, we want to create a subpanel. So we choose a one-to-many, which is like, I think, the most common. And then we select what is going to be, so this is the left-hand side table, and this is the right-hand side table. We may use this information in the future. So for the module, we're going to just select products here. The label is going to be products. We're going to save and deploy. And basically that's it. So if we go to the leads page, and or if we go to the leads section and we look at the subpanels, right now we see that the products is there. So it's currently there. So we do save and deploy in products. Then let's see if the change is reflected or not. Okay, so it's not there yet. Product, no. So another thing that we may have to do is go to the admin section. We'll go to the repair and rebuild. Quick repair and rebuild. Okay, there we go. Initially I went to the section to rebuild the relationships also, and it is here now. So the products is here. And another thing that you can do to verify, just to see what's happening in the background, is if we go to the actual server, we go down to the custom, then we go modules, we select our module name, we go to the extension, the var defs, and then we open up the var defs file. We can see that the change took place, and this is what it looks like here. So this was the latest entry, and this is a good guide. For example, if you want to create a relationship in the future programmatically, you would work based off of this setup here. So if we see what it looks like here, if now we go to the custom, then extension, slightly different. We add extension here, then we'll go to modules, then we'll go to leads, then we'll go to the extension, then we'll go to the var defs. It's the latest one is here. So the only difference is this is removed after custom. That's where we were before. So if we add our definition file here, once we rebuild it, it gets reflected here. So this gets rebuilt automatically when you do repair and rebuild. So you shouldn't modify that file because it gets rebuilt automatically. You should modify the files here. So if we open up this file here, we can see the exact same definitions that we copied before, remember? So this is where we took it from. And if you want to take it a step further, oh, by the way, so the stuff that I mentioned about left-hand side table and right-hand side table, we can see that the basically the table that's on the right side is going to be the products table. So the module products is on the right hand side of the relationship. There's many products, and on the left hand side there's only one lead, right? Hence the right side. The type is the link relationship. This is the name of the table that contains the relationship between the two, and this is the label. So the label information is actually stored here in case you're interested. It is stored right here. So if we find it, this is the name that is contained here. Hopefully the video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll be making more of these in the future. Thank you.